Unlock the secrets to effortlessly carving your Costco rotisserie chicken for maximum deliciousness and minimal mess. First, grab your sharpest carving knife and a sturdy fork. Place the chicken breast side up on your cutting board, ensuring it's stable. We'll start with the legs. Locate the joint connecting the leg and thigh to the body. Insert your knife just above the joint and press down firmly, slicing through the skin and meat until the leg separates cleanly. Repeat this on the other side to remove the second leg. Now, lift each leg to find where the thigh meets the breast. Slice along the breastbone, separating the thigh from the breast meat. You'll be working your way down towards the wing joint. With the leg and thigh removed, it's time for the wings. Gently pull a wing away from the body to expose the joint. Make a clean cut through the wing joint, separating it from the breast. Do the same for the other wing. Now for the star of the show, the breast meat. Locate the breastbone running down the center of the chicken. Place your knife along one side of the breastbone. Slice downwards, keeping the knife as close to the bone as possible to get the most meat. You're aiming for a long, smooth cut. Carefully lift the breast half away from the carcass. Now, repeat this process on the other side of the breastbone to get the second breast. And there you have it, a masterfully carved Costco rotisserie chicken, ready to be served and enjoyed without any fuss.